AI isn't replacing entry-level workers. It's replacing managers. And most people have no idea this is happening. Everyone thinks AI will take jobs at the bottom, customer service reps, data entry clerks, basic administrative roles. But that's not what's actually happening. AI is moving up the ladder. It's replacing the middle layer, the people who manage, analyze, coordinate, and make decisions based on data. The jobs that felt safe, the jobs that required years of experience and good salaries, those are the ones being automated right now. And if you're not paying attention, you're going to get left behind. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what AI is replacing, who the new winners are, and how you can position yourself to thrive in this shift instead of becoming obsolete. Let's break this down, because what's coming is bigger than most people realize. First, let's talk about what AI is actually removing from the workplace. AI removes analysis. Managers used to spend hours analyzing data, looking for trends, creating reports. Now AI does it in seconds. It scans your sales data, identifies patterns, predicts outcomes, and presents insights in dashboard form. You don't need someone to interpret the numbers anymore. The AI already did it. AI removes report building. Middle managers used to compile information from different departments, create presentations, and deliver summaries to leadership. Now AI pulls the data, generates the reports, and even creates the slides. What used to take a manager 2 days now takes AI 10 minutes. AI removes meeting summarization. Managers used to attend meetings, take notes, and distribute action items. Now AI joins the meeting, transcribes everything, identifies key decisions, assigns tasks, and sends summaries to everyone. The coordinating role that justified someone's salary, gone. AI removes decision trees. Managers used to evaluate options, weigh pros and cons, and make judgment calls. Now AI analyzes all possible outcomes, calculates risk, and recommends the optimal decision based on data. The decision-making that required experience and intuition, AI does it faster and often more accurately. AI removes forecasting. Managers used to predict sales, budget for next quarter, plan inventory. Now AI forecasts with precision, adjusting in real time based on market conditions, customer behavior, and historical trends. The strategic planning that made managers valuable, automated. So what does this mean? It means the layer of people who manage information, coordinate teams, and make data-driven decisions is becoming redundant. Let me give you real case studies of this happening right now. Case study 1, AI replacing operations managers. Companies are using tools like Monday.com AI, ClickUp AI, and Notion AI to manage entire operations. These systems assign tasks, track progress, identify bottlenecks, and reallocate resources automatically. An operations manager used to do this. Now the AI does it. And the CEO just reviews the dashboard. One startup I know went from 3 operations managers to 0. They replaced all of them with AI workflow automation. The company didn't get less efficient, it got more efficient. Case study 2. AI automating HR processes. Recruiting, onboarding, performance reviews, employee engagement, all of this used to require HR managers. Now AI tools like Paradox, Lattice AI, and Workday AI handle it. AI screens candidates, schedules interviews, onboards new hires, tracks performance metrics, and even suggests personalized development plans. Companies are realizing they don't need as many HR managers. They need one person overseeing the AI. Case study 3. Business dashboards making leadership redundant. Tools like Tableau AI, Power BI AI, and Looker are creating real-time dashboards that show everything a CEO or executive needs to know. Revenue, expenses, customer acquisition cost, churn rate, team performance, all of it visualized and updated automatically. Leadership used to rely on managers to bring them information. Now they have AI dashboards that give them complete visibility without needing intermediaries. The people who used to summarize, interpret, and present data, they're being cut out of the loop. So if managers are being replaced, who are the winners in this new economy? Let me tell you who's thriving right now. Winner number one, AI implementers. These are the people who know how to bring AI into a business. They understand which tools solve which problems. They know how to integrate systems. They can take a chaotic workflow and turn it into an AI-powered operation. Companies are desperate for these people. They're paying six figures to anyone who can come in and make AI work for them. Winner number two, workflow architects. These are people who design systems. They map out processes, identify inefficiencies, and build workflows that combine AI tools with human input. They're not coders, they're strategists. They understand business operations and know how to structure work so that AI handles the repetitive parts and humans focus on high-value decisions. This is one of the most in-demand skills right now, and almost nobody is teaching it. Winner number three, prompt strategists. These are people who know how to get maximum value from AI. They write prompts that produce exceptional results. They understand how to guide AI to think, analyze, and create at a level most people can't access. Businesses are hiring prompt strategists to train their teams, optimize their AI usage, and unlock capabilities they didn't know existed. Winner number four, fractional AI COOs. These are experienced operators who help multiple companies implement AI without being full-time employees. They come in, assess the business, design the AI strategy, and oversee implementation. One person can serve 5 companies at once because AI does most of the execution. They're earning $200,000 to $500,000 a year working part-time. Winner number 5, AI-augmented solopreneurs. These are individuals running entire businesses alone because they've automated everything with AI. Marketing, sales, customer service, operations, finance, all of it runs on AI. They're competing with companies that have 20 employees, and they're winning because they're faster, cheaper, and more agile. This is the biggest shift. Power is moving from big companies with big teams to individuals who master AI leverage. You don't need a team anymore. You need skills and systems. One person with AI can do what used to require 10 people. One person with the right tools can launch a product, run marketing campaigns, manage customers, and scale revenue without hiring anyone. This changes everything. The economic shift we're seeing right now is massive. Traditional career paths are breaking down. Climbing the corporate ladder doesn't make sense anymore when the ladder itself is disappearing. The new path is mastery. Learn AI, build systems, create value, monetize your knowledge. So here's the playbook for you. Here's how you position yourself to win in this AI-driven economy. Step 1. Learn the AI tool stack. You need to know which tools do what. ChatGPT for thinking and writing, Claude for deep analysis, Notion AI for organization, Zapier for automation, Fireflies for meeting notes, HubSpot for CRM. Don't just use one tool. Understand the entire ecosystem. Know which AI solves which problem. Step 2. Become a workflow builder. Learn how to design systems. Start with your own work. Map out your daily tasks. Identify what can be automated. Build workflows that combine multiple AIs. Once you can do this for yourself, you can do it for others, and people will pay you a lot of money to do it. Step 3. Publish your expertise. Document what you learn. Share your workflows. Create content about AI implementation. Build a reputation as someone who knows how to make AI work in the real world. This is how you attract opportunities. Companies, clients, and collaborators find you because you're visible and credible. Step 4. Position yourself for AI leadership roles. Don't wait for a job posting. Reach out to companies and offer to audit their AI usage. Offer to build them a custom workflow. Offer to train their team. You're not asking for a job, you're offering value. And once you prove you can deliver, the money follows. This is the future. Leadership isn't about managing people anymore. It's about designing systems, leveraging AI, and creating value at scale. Here's the ending motivation. You don't need to wait to be promoted to become a leader. The new economy promotes creators. The people who build, who share, who implement, who solve problems, they rise faster than people climbing corporate ladders. You don't need permission. You don't need credentials. You need skills, systems, and the willingness to act. AI isn't a threat if you position yourself correctly. It's the biggest opportunity of your lifetime. While others panic about being replaced, you can become irreplaceable by mastering what AI can't do. Strategic thinking, creative problem solving, human connection, system design. Combine those human skills with AI leverage, and you become unstoppable. The question isn't whether AI will change the economy. It already is. The question is whether you'll be someone who gets disrupted or someone who leads the disruption. Choose to lead. Learn the tools. Build the systems. Publish your knowledge. Position yourself as indispensable. Because in 5 years, the winners will be the people who saw this shift coming and acted on it today. If you want more insights on AI, future skills, and building wealth in the new economy, hit subscribe. Let's stay ahead together.